Thank you, sir, for welcoming me here at Jawahar Navodaya Vidyalaya, Alleppey. I thank our dear Madam, VP Madam, for allowing me to be here with you for one day. And I'm so happy to be amongst you today evening. Do you feel happy to see me? Thank you. Many times students ask me, sir, what is the purpose of your coming to our school? Many students ask. They get the question, why have you come, sir? What is the purpose? So I tell them that I consider all the Navodayans as my own family members, as my own people. So I have come to see you, to serve you. From Navodaya school, which I studied 26 years ago, we got the guideline. What was the guideline given to us that time? Come to learn, go to serve. Was the guideline of Samiti, Navodaya Vidyalaya Samiti, that the purpose of our coming to school should be learning process, to learn. Why? Because learning has no limit. Learning has no limit. Whether exam is there or not there, whether any contest is there or not there, you can always have the desire or the motivation or the habit of learning. If you study only for exams, then study may happen, may not happen. Your mind may be absorbed, may not be absorbed. You may feel happy or may not feel happy with that study for exams. But if you study for knowledge, if you study for learning, then that will give you definitely a joy and unlimited satisfaction. That is our personal experience. Do you all understand English? 6th standard students? Can you understand my words? Should I speak Hindi? English okay? Okay, thank you. I'll speak English only. And I'll speak slow so that you understand my words, you get my message. I hope yesterday you had that television, that online show of परीक्षा पे चर्चा हुआ था यहाँ पे? हाँ? Did you hear that? Did you see that? Okay. So today we will discuss not about exams. We will discuss about life. जीवन पे चर्चा. Yesterday was परीक्षा पे चर्चा. Today is our जीवन पे चर्चा, life पे चर्चा. Why? Please think about it. Please pay attention. I have come from long distance, very long distance, to serve you, because that is our lifelong motivation in life, in our system, that we should do some good service for others and definitely for Navodayan community. So last 1 year I am visiting many Navodaya schools, and this is my 61st Navodaya school of visit. I have gone to 6 states. First my Maharashtra, then Gujarat, then Madhya Pradesh, then Goa, Karnataka, and now almost all the schools of Kerala I have gone. 2 are remaining, Kollam, and last is Trivandrum. 2 are remaining of Kerala. I have gone to almost all the schools of Kerala. So life is the most important subject. One is physics, one is chemistry, one is mathematics, one is biology, one is English, Malayalam, languages, Hindi. There are many subjects. One is sports also. People study sports. People study music. People study arts. And one important topic to be studied, definitely, at least in human life, is life. Do you feel importance of life? Do you feel importance of life? Value of life? Do you have value for life? Answer. Life is the most valuable. Think about this. How much is your value? How much is the value of your life? Think about it. For how much money you will exchange your life? Think about it. For this much amount of money, I will exchange my life. I will give up my life. Think about it. How much money you want in exchange of your life? Yes, 6 class students. Stand up. Answer.
No exchange.
He is saying, sir, at no cost, I cannot exchange. At no cost, I can exchange. He is saying, no exchange. Impossible, yes. Because he knows that no amount of money is enough for life. But unfortunately, today's society is using our human life only for money only, to get money only. Thinking that without money, how can I live? Without money, how can I be happy? Somewhere, this is the mindset of society. Money, money, money. I ask you one small question. Famous saying is there in English about time. They say, time is, you must have heard somewhere, you must have seen somewhere, quote in term for time. Time is, oh, time is precious. Is time money? Is time money? Wow, very good. You are Northern students. You know that time is not money. Definitely, yes, time is not money. That saying is there, time is money, time is money. That's only for giving idea that time is precious, time is valuable. Time is not money. Why? You may have all the wealth of the world. Please pay attention. Please pay attention. If you listen, then I will be inspired to speak. Otherwise, I will say that why to speak? My only motivation is to serve you. And if you don't want to take my service, then why should I speak? I'll be quiet. I am happy in my life. I don't need anything in my life. I am fulfilled. I am satisfied in my life. Even though I was 10th batch topper, division topper, 12th science topper, division topper. I did my BTech in the best college of Maharashtra, India also, VJTI. First college of the India, established in 1885, VJTI college, Victoria Jubilee Technological Institute, VJTI. British people established that college, first college, VJTI. But I gave up those things for something higher purpose. And that higher purpose is to serve our society. Why our society? Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That is our culture. That is our understanding. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That not only Navodaya family, not only Kerala family, not only Indian family, the whole planet, one nation, one family, one future. एक भारत, श्रेष्ठ भारत. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. That this understanding that the whole planet is our family, Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, will give you so much empowerment, so much positivity, so much joy, so much satisfaction that I am not small one. My family is not small, only 4 people, 2 people, 3 people. No, our family is universal family. Our family is universal, not just one planet. As per our culture, our scriptures, the whole universe is our family. Because life is there everywhere in the universe. As per our scriptures, it is mentioned that life is there on its planet, on its star, along with Earth planet. Otherwise, what is the purpose, what is the use of those planets, those stars, if life is not there? Definitely, life needs Bhumi, earth, land. Life needs water. Life needs sunlight. Life needs air. Life needs sky, space. And these 5 elements, Bhumi, Jal, Agni, Vayu, Akash. Earth, water, fire, air, sky. These 5 elements are everywhere. The whole universe has these 5 elements, or the whole universe is made of 5 elements. All the planets, all the stars have these 5 elements. Please know it that, and life can sustain. Life can be on land, life can be in water, life can be in air. So life is everywhere. From this planet, we may not be able to see on other planets. But as per the scriptures, Vedic scriptures, all holy books, all the holy scriptures, we come to know that life is there everywhere. Who has given these scriptures? Who has given these holy books? Ultimately, God only has given holy books. It may be Bible, it may be Quran, it may be Bhagavad Gita, Vedas. Bhagavad Gita is the essence, in short, of all the Vedic sciences, all the Vedic books. Bhagavad Gita, which was spoken by Lord Krishna 5,000 years ago on the battlefield of Kurukshetra. We say Mahabharata time. It was spoken. For what purpose? To give us the universal science, to give us life science, to inform us about life. You see, our biology, our modern biology, please pay attention. Show me your willingness to hear, show me your enthusiasm to listen, then I will be inspired to give you the best service. I am not here for money, I am not here for any other purpose. I am here only for one purpose, to benefit you. To benefit you. Because I know that your life will definitely become glorious, great, by knowing some basic science of life, which is not there in our syllabus, which is not there. If that basic science would have been there in syllabus, for me, there was no need to visit so many schools and take so much difficulty and travel so much. But when I know that basic science, basic points are not there in syllabus, so I feel need for that to share. See, today very big problem in society, in students also, school also, is that students are not able to focus, concentrate on their study, their work, or any other activity. They feel difficulty. Their mind is not peaceful. their mind is not happy, they don't feel motivation, they don't feel satisfaction. That is the problem. Because simply physics, simply chemistry, simply mathematics cannot give you joy and satisfaction. You need something about your own life to know that who we are. Please pay attention. Girls, please pay attention. That most important question to know the answer, that who are we? You may say, sir, we are the body. We are sitting here in the body. We are the body here, physical body. Physical body is not our real self. Our biology simply focuses, simply mentions about physical body of the plants, animals and human beings. But something is missing in that biology. In biology, nothing is mentioned about mind, nothing is mentioned about intelligence, nothing is mentioned about the ego. We all have egos. And nothing is mentioned about the divine spirit soul, without which life cannot exist till the time soul is there in the body is functioning. The moment soul, you understand soul? Jivatma, Atma, Jivatma, soul. The moment soul leaves the body is dead. Body is of no value. We will preserve, we will maintain, we will care the body till the time soul is there. People are willing to pay doctors any amount of money in the hospital, in ICU, only if soul is there in the body. The moment soul leaves the body, nobody is willing to pay any amount of money for anything. Because our value, our life value is not because of the body. Please understand. Nobody maintains dead body. Nobody keeps dead body in the house. Oh, this is our dead body. We are maintaining for 10 years, 20 years. No. Even 5-6 hours, nobody keeps. In 4 hours, we take it to the crematorium. Nobody has any value for dead body, because dead body is of no use. This body is of any use only if soul is there. Body has some value. Body has all the value if soul is there. You understand this point? Our life value is because of the soul, not the body. Please understand. I'll give an example. Our physical body has been changing. See, we all are discussing about life. I told you, yesterday you had discussion about exams. Pariksha pe charcha. That I won't speak. Today I am speaking about life. जीवन पे चर्चा. Why? Because जीवन का ज्ञान होगा तो जीवन का आनंद भी होगा, समाधान भी होगा. Our life is not for only exams. Our life is for getting the life joy, getting the life satisfaction. So that is the purpose. So please pay attention. We have short time now. So I'll be short. Please pay attention. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the end. Last boys, keep quiet. Last boys, yes please, last boys, keep quiet. Pay attention. Sit straight. अच्छे से बैठो, सीधा बैठो. सब लोग ऐसा झुक गए हैं, बेंड हो गए. डोंट बेंड, सीधा बैठो. Yes, our physical body, please pay attention, our physical body is always changing. Do you feel that, sir, my body has been changing from the time of birth. Body has been changing. We don't realize it so easily, but body has been changing. The change in the body is very slow. The change in body is very slow. That's why we feel body is the same. No, body has changed a lot. You see, you remember your first birthday. You see, or you remember your first birthday photo. It must be there in your house. Your birthday photo, first birthday photo or second birthday photo, your childhood photo must be there. You remember that photo and you see today's body. Body has changed in size, body has changed in shape, body has changed in form. But do you feel that, sir, I have changed? I am not the same person who was born long back. You don't say like that. You say, sir, I am the same who was born long back, who was on the lap of mother, who was in LKG, who was in UKG, first class, playing on the toys, playing with the toys, playing on the those horses or any toys. Your mother will say, oh, this is my son, this is my daughter, which was born long back. Our relationships continue because the person in the body is not changing. We are not changing. Body is always. Please understand, if I ask you to come here and introduce yourself, give your introduction. If I ask you, you will say, sir, this is my body. My body is short, my body is tall, my body is slim, my body is fat, my body is white, my body is black, my body is this, that. You will say like that. You won't say, I am the body. Nobody will say, I am the body, sir, I am black body, I am a white body. Nobody will say. Because body is not our self. Body is our vehicle. I will give now example of the, I will compare life with journey. Life is like a journey. Life is like a journey. Please pay attention. We are discussing about life. जीवन की चर्चा है. क्यों? जीवन का ज्ञान चाहिए जो बायोलॉजी में नहीं है, जो साइंस में नहीं है, आज के मॉडर्न साइंस में, जो अपने शास्त्रों में है, स्क्रिप्चर्स में है, होली बुक्स में है, वो मैं बोल रहा हूँ. क्यों? इसकी आवश्यकता है जानने के लिए, अपने मन को काबू करने के लिए, माइंड कंट्रोल के लिए, माइंड फोकस के लिए, मन की शांति के लिए आवश्यकता है ये जानना कि अपना मन क्या है, बुद्धि क्या है, अपना जीवन क्या है, हम आत्मा क्या है, भगवान क्या है, शरीर क्या है, जानना आवश्यक है. तो शॉर्ट में है, ध्यान दीजिए, आपको बहुत फ़ायदा होगा. आपके मन में हमेशा आनंद होगा, प्रसन्नता होगी, प्रसन्नता. विल बी हैप्पी ऑलवेज. देन विल बी फोकसिंग नाइसली इन योर स्टडीज, एनी वर्क. Life is like a journey. Life is like journey. In journey, we begin someplace. We begin from some place. And journey is for going to some other place. One is starting point, one is end point. Do you know your beginning point, starting point of journey? They are saying hospital, means the day we are born, the time of birth. They are saying from hospital I began my journey. Yes, that can be called as beginning point for this body. See, हम दुनिया में आए हैं, हम दुनिया में जन्म लेके आए हैं. यहाँ कोई ऐसा नहीं है जो पहले से है. There is no one here who is from the beginning of the universe. There is no one here who is from the beginning of the universe in this body. हम सभी इस बॉडी में, इस दुनिया में आए हैं जन्म लेकर. So question can be there, from which place, where from we have come to this world. There can be question that where was I before coming here? Where was I? मैं कहाँ था यहाँ आने से पहले? ये क्वेश्चन होना चाहिए, क्योंकि स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट बॉडी का तो हॉस्पिटल में होगा जन्म का समय, लेकिन बॉडी में हम कहाँ से आए, पहले कहाँ थे, वो भी एक सवाल हो सकता है. आई विल स्पीक ऑन दैट. ओके, सो वी शुड नो आवर starting point, we should know our end point. Okay, in journey we need a vehicle. In journey we need a vehicle. So we have been given human body. Some have got animal body, some have got insect body, some have got birds body, some have got plants, grass body. See, they all are living beings. They all are plants, animals, birds, insects. They also have life. So there are 84 lakh models of the vehicles, of the bodies. 84 lakh species are there. Do you know this number? 84 lakh species, common famous number. In our Vedic sciences, Vedic books, this count is given. Count of living beings in the whole universe. In the whole universe. How much is the count? 84 lakh species. 9 lakh in the water, aquatics. 10 lakh birds, 11 lakh insects and reptiles, 20 lakhs plants, 30 lakhs animals, and 4 lakh species of human beings in the universe. In the universe, I told you, there are some higher species of human beings, there are some low species of human beings. So it is there in the universe. Okay, we have got human body. We have got human body as a vehicle. Body has senses. The vehicle has the wheels. Vehicle has wheels to run. We have the senses. We have legs to run, to function, to walk. We have 10 senses. 5 are knowledge acquiring senses. 5 are knowledge acquiring senses. We say in Hindi, Gyanendriya. What we say? Gyanendriya, to acquire knowledge. Senses to acquire knowledge. Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. These are 5 knowledge acquiring senses. And then 5 are working senses. इंग्लिश हिंदी में बोलते हैं कर्मेंद्रिया. क्या बोलते हैं? कर्मेंद्रिया, कर्म के लिए. वर्किंग सेंसेस, हैंड्स, लेग्स, स्पीच. So we have senses to function the body, and we know to control the wheels, to control the speed of the wheels, we have brake. Vehicle has the brakes to apply. So mind, our mind is like the brake. Our mind is like the brake to apply on the senses. आँखों से क्या देखना है, क्या नहीं देखना है, अपने जीवा से, जीभ से ना, जीवा, क्या बोलना है, क्या नहीं बोलना है, क्या सुनना है, क्या नहीं सुनना है, क्या खाना है, क्या नहीं खाना है. Some things are good, some things are bad. So we have to apply the brake of mind on the senses. कहाँ जाना है, कहाँ नहीं जाना है. Some people go to wrong place and some people go to right place. So mind has to be applied. The brake of mind has to be applied on the senses to have happy journey. To have happy journey. Please understand. We are discussing about life. We are speaking about life. Life is like a journey. People say happy journey, happy journey. If life is journey, then our life will become happy if we know some basics of life. Last point. Who applies the brake? Who applies the brake in the vehicle? driver in the vehicle, who applies the brake? The brake mechanism cannot function on its own. Brake mechanism cannot apply the brake on the wheels on its own. There must be someone to apply the brake in the vehicle. Who is that? Driver. So in our journey of life, in our body, who is the driver? Our intelligence, buddhi. Our buddhi, intelligence is the driver. Who can decide? Who can decide what is good, what is bad? Mind itself cannot decide. Mind simply thinks. Mind simply feels. Mind simply desires. Please understand. मन का काम नहीं है सही गलत समझना. मन केवल इच्छा करता है. माइंड हैज थ्री फंक्शंस: थिंकिंग, सोचना, फीलिंग, कुछ है ना, फीलिंग, अनुभव, फीलिंग, भाव, अनुभव. थिंकिंग, सोचना, फीलिंग, अनुभव, फीलिंग, भाव. थर्ड इज विलिंग, टू मेक अ विल, डिजायरिंग, इच्छा करना. मन में कभी ये समझ में नहीं आएगा ये सही है गलत है. बुद्धि जो है, बुद्धि में समझता है, बुद्धि को समझ में आता है. इंटेलिजेंस कैन अंडरस्टैंड दैट इज दिस गुड और इज दिस बैड. ये सही है या गलत है, ये अच्छा है या बुरा है, इसमें फ़ायदा है या नुकसान है. इंटेलिजेंस शुड बी शार्प. इंटेलिजेंस हैज़ टू बी स्ट्रांग to know or to apply the brake of the mind on the senses. Mind is known as king of the senses. Mind is known as king of the senses. But the brake of mind has to be applied by intelligence. Intelligence needs, last voice, please pay attention. Intelligence needs the right knowledge. Intelligence needs the right knowledge to be strong, to be sharp, to apply the brake of the mind on the senses. क्या करना है, क्या नहीं करना है. Okay, we discuss. Body is our vehicle, senses are our wheels, mind is our brake, intelligence is our driver. Who are we? In our discussion, there is no mention of the ourselves. We discuss about body is a vehicle, senses are our wheels, mind is our brake, intelligence is our driver. Who are we in the body? We are the unchanging, divine, individual person known as the spirit soul, Jivatma. See, mind also changes many times. Mind's feelings changes, mind's thoughts changes. मन हमेशा बदलता रहता है. अपनी बॉडी तो बदलती रहती है, आपको बताया, बॉडी हमेशा बदलती है. अपना जो बुद्धि है वो भी कम ज़्यादा होता है. अब इंटेलिजेंस गोज अप एंड डाउन. बट अनचेंजिंग एलिमेंट इन द लाइफ, इन द बॉडी इज अवर सोल. That is our real self. That is our real identity. That we are the unchanging, divine person in the body, known as the soul. And this soul is the divine, eternal part of God. हम सब भगवान के बच्चे हैं. वो जो बोलते हैं ना, तुम्ही हो माता पिता, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही हो साथी, तुम्ही सहारे, कोई न अपना सिवा तुम्हारे, दया की दृष्टि सदा ही रखना, तुम्ही हो बंधु सखा, तुम्ही. School prayer, in schools they sing this prayer, that the Supreme Lord द गॉड, भगवान हम सबके माता पिता है, दुनिया के भी माता पिता है, हम सबके माता पिता है, जो हमें संभालते हैं, जो हमें ज्ञान देते हैं, बुद्धि देते हैं, शक्ति देते हैं। वो भी एक प्रेयर है। इतनी शक्ति हमें देन दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नहीं के रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। डू यू नो दिस प्रेयर? हैव यू हर्ड दिस प्रेयर? इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता। दाता मीन्स व्हाट? दाता मीन्स भगवान, जो जीवन दिए हैं, जो दुनिया में हवा, पानी, अन्न, सब कुछ दिए हैं सबके लिए। ओके, लास्ट पॉइंट, वी आर दी लास्ट वॉइस प्लीज पे अटेंशन, डोंट डिस्टर्ब। आपके जीवन के लिए बोल रहा हूँ। केवल फिजिक्स, केमिस्ट्री, मैथ्स में कितने भी मार्क्स आए आपको, जीवन का सुख नहीं मिलेगा। क्यों? जीवन का सुख अंकों में नहीं है, जीवन का सुख जीवन के ज्ञान में है। यदि हमें जीवन का ज्ञान होगा तो जीवन का अनंत समाधान, अनंत आनंद, सुख होगा और अपनी पढ़ाई, अपना प्रत्येक काम अच्छे से होगा। तो अंतिम बात है, 5-10 मिनट सुनिए। हम जो है, हम जीना चाहते हैं। वी ऑल वॉन्ट टू लिव फॉर ऑल टाइम। Does someone want to live only for 2 days, only for 2 years, only for 20 years? Here, we all want to live for all time, not just live. We all want to live happy, young. Nobody wants to become old. Nobody wants to become old, not just old. Nobody wants to become even diseased. किसी को रोगी बनना, रोग नहीं चाहिए, रोगी नहीं बनना है, डिसीज नहीं होना है। थिंक आउट दिस। वी वॉन्ट टू लिव ऑलवेज यंग, हैप्पी, हेल्दी। Why? Because see, body will become old. Body is becoming old day by day, year by year. Body is many times diseased. Body is always giving pain. Body pain is there many times. Headache is there. Backache is there. No? We have body ache. We have body pain many times. Body gives pain. Body gives discomfort. But we want joy. We want happiness. We want always. We want to live always. Why? Think about it. बॉडी कैन नॉट लिव फॉर ऑल टाइम। बॉडी स्पैन, बॉडी का लाइफ जो है, बॉडी का जो जीवन है, बॉडी लाइफ, बॉडी का जो अस्तित्व है, बॉडी एग्जिस्टेंस इज ओनली फॉर शॉर्ट टाइम। And nobody knows how long this body will survive. Nobody knows in the world how long body will survive. We see that people die without notice. People die without notice. Nobody gets notice. Sir, you have now only 1 month to live. After 1 month, your body will be gone. Nobody gets notice. Nobody gets notice. Death comes without notice. Death comes without notice to anybody, anywhere, anyhow. See, but we want to live for all time. We want to live for why? Because the soul is always existing. For the soul, there is no death. Body is born, so body has some time. One day body will be dead. But the soul is never born because soul is a part of God. Soul is the part of God. Soul is without birth as God, and soul is that's why without death. We say आत्मा जो है अजन्म है। आत्मा क्या है? अजन्म। इसलिए आत्मा क्या होता है? अमर, अविनाशी। See, do you understand some points I am speaking? अपने जीवन के विषय में देखो, हम सोचते हैं थोड़ा पैसा कमा लेंगे जीवन का सुख मिल जाएगा, एक गाड़ी लेंगे, एक बंगला लेंगे, सुखी हो जाएंगे। नो, टुडे इन सोसाइटी पीपल हैव बंगलो, पीपल हैव मनी, पीपल हैव गाड़ी, but no shanti, no happiness, no satisfaction. Why? Somewhere they are missing the real knowledge of their real self. They think only body gives pleasure. Body never gives pleasure. Body is our vehicle. What is our vehicle? Body has to be used. Our senses have to be used. Mind has to be used properly to reach our destination. To reach our destination. Because life is journey. One day we have to go from here. One day we will pass out from school. Nobody is there in the school for all time. I also pass out from Noble School long back. 26 years I pass out from Noble School. One day we have to pass out from the school, but our life is not finished with the passing out. We always continue to live. That is my message. Whether body is there or not there, आत्मा जो है कभी नष्ट नहीं होता, अपना जीवन जो है हमेशा होता है। आप देखिए, यू सी इन द स्लीप वी फॉरगेट द बॉडी, इन आवर स्लीप। We have no awareness of the body, we have no awareness about the name, our village, our town, our family, school, house. We don't remember in the sleep. As good as body is not there, but we have the feeling that I am there. In sleep also, we are feeling that I am there. And we get dreams sometimes, and we see the whole world in a dream. How? Because soul never sleeps. Soul never sleeps. Soul is always awake, because soul never becomes tired. Soul never becomes tired. Okay, anyway, now I feel that you are having difficulty to focus, you are having difficulty to listen. Today this is the condition that we have no habit, we have no capacity to pay attention. We cannot sit quiet, we cannot hear quietly. That is the condition. With our physics knowledge, with our chemistry knowledge, with our mathematics knowledge, we are not able to have proper conduct, proper behavior. We are losing our sense. How to sit quietly, how to hear, how to pay attention. There is no capacity. So believe me, simply paper marks has no value without the good behavior, without good discipline, without life values. Nowadays companies are interested to see your good behavior, your good conduct, practical life, not just paper academic life. Companies are considering all the students above 60 marks as one level. You may have 90 marks, you may have 95 marks, or you may have 60 marks. For the company, for job, they consider all the students above 60 as one level. And they keep their own test, their own contest, their own ways, interviews, group discussions to know how much you can behave properly, how you conduct yourself, how you deal with others, practical things. So my endeavor, my message, my efforts are for that thing, that along with academics, if you know basics of your life, you will be in a better position to get joy of life and all the satisfaction, all the good benefits in future. Okay, so my message was that our life is very great, our life is very divine, it's very special. Why? Because that life has been given to us by the Supreme Lord. भगवान ने जीवन दिया है, हम भगवान के हैं, और भगवान हम सबके साथ है। अपने माता पिता अपने गांव में हैं, और मदर फादर आर इन आवर टाउन और विलेज, नेटिव प्लेस, बट गॉड इज विथ अस ऑलवेज एज द सुप्रीम सोल। जो बोलते हैं तुम ही हो साथी, तुम ही सहारा। भगवान हम सबके साथी है, कंपेनियन है। गॉड इज अवर द डियर मोस्ट फ्रेंड। भगवान अपने साथी है, दोस्त है, सखा। इफ यू हैव दैट अंडरस्टैंडिंग दैट गॉड इज विथ अस, you will have no fear, you will have enough confidence, you will have strength, you will have joy of life. That like a small baby in the lap of mother. When baby is in the mother's lap, baby has no fear, baby has no any anxiety. In the same way, when you know that our Supreme Father or Supreme Mother, God is with us, and you will have no anxiety, no fear, because God is always there to help us. God is always there to support us, to care for us. See, if you can have that small faith, a small faith in God, a little faith in God will empower you a lot. Anything. भगवान में थोड़ा श्रद्धा होना चाहिए, ज्ञान होना चाहिए कि हम सभी भगवान के हैं। ऑल द होली बुक्स, बाइबल, कुरान, भगवद गीता, वेदास स्पीक अबाउट दिस कॉमन थिंग दैट वी ऑल बिलोंग टू द सुप्रीम लॉर्ड, and that connection will give you all the intelligence, all the positivity, all the concentration, all the powers. इतनी शक्ति हमें देना दाता, मन का विश्वास कमजोर होना, हम चले नेक रास्ते पे हमसे भूल कर भी कोई भूल होना। By nature we commit mistakes. By nature human beings commit mistakes. But if you get the blessings, the empowerment from God, then you cannot commit mistakes, because God is with you to help you, to guide you. That is our personal experience, that when we connect with God by our faith, by our knowledge, then we get all the empowerment, all the knowledge, all the strength. Okay, I stop here. Any questions? Any doubts? If you have on the topic we discussed, on the studies, anything you can ask. We have some time. Did you understand something? We discussed that life is our journey. Life is our journey. हाँ, so we should know हम कहाँ से आए हैं, हमें कहाँ जाना है, क्योंकि ये जो मनुष्य जीवन है, ह्यूमन लाइफ, हमेशा के लिए नहीं है, थोड़े समय के लिए। वी से स्मॉल प्रेयर इन स्कूल्स, ओम असतो मा सद्गमय, ओम तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय, ओम मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय। हैव यू हर्ड दिस? असतोमा सद्गमय, तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय, मृत्योर्मा अमृतम गमय। व्हाट इज द मीनिंग? Our Vedic science, our Vedas, these are Vedic statements. Vedic statements. Asatoma Sadgamay. Please pay attention. Boys, keep quiet. Last point. Last point. I told you life is journey. So it is mentioned in the Vedic statements that journey from which point to what point? Asatoma Sadgamay. Gamay means go. You know Gaman, Agaman, Agaman, Gaman, going, coming. Gamay means go. Where? Asatoma Sadgamay. From this world, from this material world, from this physical world, which is temporary, our Vedas are instructing us, advising us to go from this place, not now, in the end. from this place which is temporary to that place which is permanent। ये दुनिया जो है, जो नाशवान है, नश्वर है, यहाँ से निकलकर भगवान का धाम आध्यात्मिक जगत जो नित्य है, अविनाशी है, असतो माँ सद्गमय, तमसो माँ ज्योतिर्गमय। तमस मीन्स इग्नोरेंस, ऑब्सेंस ऑफ नॉलेज। कि दुनिया में जो है हमें ज्ञान नहीं है, हम अज्ञान में हैं। वी हैव नो नॉलेज अबाउट आवर ओन सेल्फ। वी डोंट नो हम कहाँ से आए हैं पता नहीं, हम कितना समय है हमें पता नहीं, हम कहाँ जाएंगे वो पता नहीं है। इसलिए बोलते हैं तमसो माँ, ये दुनिया जो है अज्ञान में है, इग्नोरेंस अज्ञान। तमसो माँ ज्योतिर्गमय, ज्योति मीन्स प्रकाश, लाइट, नॉलेज इज कंसिडर्ड एज लाइट। तो ये दुनिया जो है, जो अज्ञान में है, यहाँ से निकलकर भगवान का धाम जो कैसा है, ज्ञानमय। तमसो माँ ज्योतिर्गमय। लास्ट पॉइंट, ओम मृत्युर्मा। दिस वर्ल्ड इज नोन एज मृत्युलोका। व्हाट? मृत्युलोका, वेयर death is there, everywhere. One is born, will die one day. So this place is known as Mrityu-loka. So Vedas are mentioning that we should go from this Mrityu-loka to that place where there is no Mrityu, Amritam. Mrityurma Amritam Gamay. ओके, तो हम जो आए हैं दुनिया में भगवान के धाम से आए हैं। हम भगवान के बच्चे हैं, इसलिए भगवान के धाम से आए हैं। हम कहाँ से आए हैं? भगवान के धाम से आए हैं। इसलिए हमें सभी जो होली बुक्स है, बाइबल, कुरान, वैदिक साइंस, भगवत गीता, ये क्या बोलते हैं? अंत में हमें कहाँ जाना चाहिए? भगवान के पास। क्यों? हमें एक दिन जाना पड़ेगा, दुनिया से निकलना पड़ेगा, बॉडी से बाहर निकलना पड़ेगा। तो हमें अपने जीवन का जो उद्देश्य है वो क्या होना चाहिए, समझना चाहिए? भगवान से जुड़ना। क्यों? भगवान हम सबके कौन है? माता पिता है। यदि हम माता पिता से जुड़ते नहीं हैं तो क्या सुख मिलेगा, क्या समाधान मिलेगा? आप गाड़ी ले लिया, बंगला ले लिया, माता पिता नहीं है, सुख मिलेगा? नहीं मिलेगा। तो अपना सुख जो है भगवान के साथ है। इसलिए सभी होली बुक्स जो है हमें बोलते हैं हमें भगवान से जुड़ना चाहिए। उससे क्या होगा फ़ायदा? अपना मन जो है शांत होगा, चिंता नहीं होगी, कोई हमें दुख नहीं होगा। आज चिंता है, दुख है, भय है, क्यों? हम अकेले लगते हैं, हम अकेले होते हैं। इन जब पता होगा भगवान अपने साथ है तो हमें भय नहीं होगा। थैंक यू ऑल, आई विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट, मे गॉड ब्लेस यू। ठीक है, एनी क्वेश्चंस, एनी कमेंट्स? 1-2 questions we can take. We can take 1-2 questions if it is there. So I am there in the campus till I am there for one day. Tomorrow I am there in the campus. Day after tomorrow I will go to next school. So if you have anything to ask, tell, you can contact me. Okay? I thank our dear madam for allowing me to be here with you. Thank you all. Wish you all the best.